Just got a bug. All right, today we're going to bring a bug repellent. This is actually a really good one, not just the actual bug repellent of Zapper, but it's actually an LED light. Now, I actually been using this for a week already, and it's very successful. If you could put it indoor, outdoors, so just make sure that you're aware that you can put this anywhere, pretty much in a nice safe area where water's not going to hit it too much. All right, now. There's an off and on button here, and this is to turn off the actual light of the actual unit. Because when you turn it on, let me plug it in. When you turn it on, you get of course the blue light, but underneath you have the light itself. Now, one of the best things about it is that I actually opened it up, got a bunch of bugs already, because everything that's gonna die, it's gonna fall in the bottom, and then you go clear this out, and we got a couple of bugs out of it. So in fact, this was an indoor thing. I put it indoors so it could capture some of the bugs. But my best thing is you're going to take this camping. You could use this as a lantern for your campground. And then at the same time, kill some of the bugs that are bothering you, especially mosquito season. Summer mosquito season is pretty good that you need to require something like this heavy duty. So let's put it out to the test and see how many bugs we can get a night.